Now imagine the Millennium Angola customer, who is a director at a construction enterprise and needs to import a new machine for construction work. After obtaining the import permission, he goes to his Millennium Angola branch to require a new foreign exchange operation to pay his foreign supplier. Now, the user inserts their credentials in IBM BPM. On IBM BPM, the user can see their work area, and on the right side can choose Start a new foreign operation. Using Agile Forex, the branch teller is guided along the whole request operation. He finds a wizard with 4 steps. 1. Client contextualization. 2. Operation details. 3. Operational checklist. 4. Operation summary and observations. During the first step, the user puts the customer in context and customer details. The system does a background integration with the bank core system, which gathers the client's information. In the second step, the user requests operation details from the customer and from the documents presented. The user can choose the amount to be transferred, the currency of operation, and the client account. Is possible check if this operation is above of the limits imposed by National Bank of Angola and inform the customer. In step 3, the user is guided by an operations checklist that shows him the actions and documents required for the operation in context. Finally, the user can see the operation summary, validate the data, and make any comments or observations before submitting the request. A cover sheet is produced by the system with a QR code containing data on the operation and covering the documentation handed in by the customer. QR codes improved from 40 to nearly 80% the number of documents automatically linked to process, avoiding human error. The branch teller scans the documentation along with the cover sheet, and these documents are uploaded offline at the end of the day. The digital documents are integrated in Agile Forex based on the QR code interpretation. After this, the system locks the amount in the client's account. The operation follows to the operations department, where it's validated by a back-office user. In this step, the user needs to validate the data introduced at the branch with the documentation submitted. The user is guided over the operational checklist, with the tasks and documents that he needs check. If it's necessary, he can update more documents to the process and view all documents associated to this process. When finished the validation, it can enter a comment and submit the task, or reject to the branch indicating the reasons for rejection. It is also possible to see all comments introduced by all users that participate on this process. Still, in the operations department, this foreign exchange operation needs approval by operations director or a team leader. It is necessary to check all submitted data and check compliance with the regulator rules to approve or reject the operation. In all steps, the user have in left side the state monitor. This screen allows users to see all interactions done on the operation. They can check all participant users and the time spent on each step. The operation follows to the financial department. The users on financial department don't see the operations on My Tasks. They have access to financial screen where they see all operations and can approve or reject them. At any time in this process, the customer can be informed about which step of the operation. The branch teller can search the operation in Process Monitor and check where it is and with whom on State Monitor.